health and well-being, making healthy soups together. On a chilly Saturday morning, in a cozy suburban home, a mother gathered her 3 eager children around the kitchen table. "Today," she announced with a smile, "we're going to make a delicious, nutritious soup." The children looked excited as their mother explained the importance of eating a balanced diet and how this soup would help them feel strong and healthy. Together, they washed and chopped their vegetables, discussing their favorite colors and textures. Next, they added spices and herbs, smelling each one as it went into the pot. "This soup is going to taste amazing," the eldest child exclaimed. The children took turns stirring, discussing what each ingredient might do for their bodies. The mother explained how the broth would add flavor and help the vegetables cook evenly. She poured in the broth, stirring gently as she spoke about the importance of liquids for staying hydrated. Then they made homemade dumplings to add a fun twist to their soup. The children loved kneading and shaping the dough, giggling as they dropped them into the pot one by one. Finally, they sat around the table to enjoy their delicious creation. The soup was hot and comforting, each bite filled with flavor and warmth. The children talked about how good it felt to make something together, not just for their taste buds but for their bodies too. After the meal, the family shared stories of their days, feeling grateful for the time spent together. The mother reminded them that taking care of themselves meant not only eating healthy, but also spending quality time with loved ones. As the evening grew darker, the children brushed their teeth, got into their pajamas, and settled in for bedtime stories. The soup had been a success, a fun and educational way to learn about nutrition together. As they drifted off to sleep, each child dreamt of future meals and adventures in the kitchen. The mother smiled, grateful for this special bonding time that also fostered a love for healthy eating. The next morning, a bright and sunny day greeted them. The family was eager to start their new healthy eating journey, excited for what delicious creations they would cook together next. Together, they prepared a nutritious and delicious breakfast, discussing the different foods that would help them stay energized throughout the day. And just like that, another day of healthy eating and bonding began. This tale of making healthy soups together brought the family closer, not just in their bond but also in their hearts and bodies. They learned about nutrition, teamwork, and the joy of cooking for one another. And as they stood hand in hand, each felt a sense of love and pride that would last a lifetime.